Most homeowners ruin their deck without even knowing it, and that's because they picked the wrong stain. Today we're putting Sherwin-Williams water-based SuperDeck head-to-head with Benjamin Moore's water-based WoodLuxe. This is the ultimate deck stain showdown, and by the end you'll know exactly which one to grab and why. Let's take a moment and consider some of the positive aspects about the waterborne SuperDeck. It's known for having a smooth, forgiving flow. This means it's going to be very compatible being brushed, rolled, and sprayed. This is ideal for both professionals and DIYers. It also penetrates the pores in the wood more evenly. This is going to help avoid a patchy look. Some of the cons about this product are, even though it is smooth, it's still a slightly thicker product. This means that the edges can lap if you're not careful. You also have to be careful not to apply this in high humidity, as that can potentially cause you some problems. As we look at the WoodLuxe, it's known for an ultra smooth finish. In fact, some even say it's almost like it's self-leveling. You can apply it really fast, which is absolutely wonderful for big, wide open areas. And it has a low odor, which makes it more comfortable if you're in, let's just say, a more enclosed space. The cons are it is a thinner product. Because of that, it can be prone to drips on vertical surfaces. And you have to make sure this product continues to stay well mixed. Otherwise, you are going to have pigment separation. Here's a seasonal note. If you're applying either one of these products late in the summer or fall, the ease of application really is going to matter. Clumpy stains can ruin a deck before winter. So the winner in this category is going to be the SuperDeck semi-transparent water base. It's more forgiving, consistent, and ideal for more variable conditions. As we look at the color and finish, I want you to think of your deck like a cocktail. You want the right balance of color, depth, and shine. If it's too dull, then it's flat. Too glossy, it starts to look fake and over the top. The pros of SuperDeck are it has natural, deep pigments. This is going to help to give you a more classic wood look. Its lower sheen is going to help to be able to hide more imperfections in the wood. And it has a range of traditional wood tones. The cons are it can fade in about 1.5 or 2 years, especially when it's in full sun. If you do like higher gloss options, your selections are going to be more limited. Darker tones might highlight the wood's inconsistencies a little bit more. As we turn our attention to the WoodLuxe, we see that this product has vibrant, saturated colors that are really going to pop. The semi-transparent options really do a nice job of letting the wood glow, and the smooth leveling gives it almost a factory finish appearance. The cons are lighter shades can appear a little more blotchy on soft woods. Surface prep is really going to matter because debris on your deck is going to affect the color consistency. So who wins in this category? The Benjamin Moore WoodLuxe. It's more vibrant, it has a smoother finish, and better long-term color retention. Let's look at durability and protection. Decks are going to take hits from the weather, much like your favorite pair of sneakers. Sun, rain, snow, foot traffic, only a few stains are going to be able to survive them all. As we look at the SuperDeck, it has excellent water repellency. This is going to help to keep the boards dry. It has quality built-in mildew resistance. This is going to help to prevent rot and mold. And it has a more forgiving application. In fact, they even claim that you can apply this product over damp wood. This helps to reduce the risk of peeling. The cons in this particular category is that it has slightly slower drying times, especially in cooler or more humid conditions. The WoodLuxe, on the other hand, has deep penetration that really does a great job penetrating the wood fibers. The flexible film is going to resist peeling and cracking. It's also very UV and mildew resistant. The cons, once again, that surface prep is key, and lighter colors are going to fade faster, especially in direct sun. So who wins in this category? The SuperDeck is going to win its forgiving water repellency and consistent performance makes for some very practical durability. But the WoodLuxe is definitely going to win when it comes to looks and finish quality. So how about price and value? Buying a deck stain is a lot like buying a concert ticket. Cheap seats don't look very good, but if you invest smartly, it's like getting front row value. As we look at SuperDeck, it is more affordable and has better coverage per square foot. The longer lasting performance is going to reduce more frequent recoating, and it is reliable, which means less risk of costly touch-ups. The cons would be this: it is still a premium product, and the price is going to reflect that, as both these products are going to be more expensive than, we'll say, more DIY brands. As we turn our attention to the WoodLuxe, the high-end finish goes a long way to enhance the deck's appearance. It's easier to recoat if a color change is desired, and it can maintain vibrant color potentially over the course of multiple seasons. The cons are it has a higher price per square foot when compared to the SuperDeck, and it might require extra coats if your surface is rough. So the winner in this category is going to be SuperDeck. It has better coverage, performance, and a price to value ratio. So let's break this down. If you want ease of application, go with the SuperDeck. If color and finish are your priorities, then use the WoodLuxe. When it comes to durability and protection, SuperDeck is going to win. And price and value, once again, SuperDeck will take the crown. Now, maybe you're debating whether you should use an oil-based or a water-based deck stain. If that's the case, check out this video, and in it, I'll break it down for you in my signature no-fluff style. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.